are having Goa Veterans League in a big way. We are having 6 franchises. We have taken the teams and we are having it in 2 groups. When from both the group, one team will be finalized for the finals. And the finals will be held on 17th. Today, inaugural day was there, and our Minister, Mr. Rohan Gaute, came and inaugurated the trophy, unveiled the trophy, and inaugurated the first match. Our main intention about it, that all the veteran players, when they were playing previously, Ranji, they were not getting anything, they were not getting a chance. There are a lot of players who are good players but didn't get chance to play Ranji also. They will get now. And you must be knowing, the veterans who are playing now will get some money also, and plus they will get some enjoyment and good cricket here. You must be knowing that I am the Vice President of the Board of Veterans in India, and Nitin Gadkari ji is our President. And we are going to have the IPL of Veterans in Dehradun from 22nd February till 3rd March. And in that, I am glad to say that our 4 players are taking part. They will get good benefit, they will get everything free, right from hotel, flight tickets, everything. And last year, the main thing is our 2 players won the double wicket, All India double wicket, which was held in Ghaziabad. And then they were 4 of them were picked up for our Veterans IPL. It is really a good news, where they will get to sit with the players like Jayasuriya, like Virendra Sehwag, then like Suresh Raina, and lot of other players, foreigners, which they never had before in their life, which they will get chance at this veterans level. So I am very glad that this is happening, and all our team, all my colleagues in my committee, they are helping us like anything.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.